Hi there! You are watching Gizmo Journal. To create such awesome anime music videos, just follow this tutorial. Wondershare Filmora 14 has been used to make this video. You can download the software from the link in the video notes. Firstly, add your favorite anime photos and videos to the timeline. If you have any music for the video in your computer, import it. Alternatively, find anime music videos in the music resources of the software. Drag it into the audio track. Now, we want clips transition matching the beats of the music. So, use the beat detection tool from the Smart Edit tools. You may edit the beat options to find the suitable beat's duration to sync to. Then trim the clips accordingly. Firstly, we will search for anime theme resources in the Effects menu. Excellent. Let's apply this effect to this clip. Perfect. This effect truly gives anime comics vibe. You can use it for intros. Browse the effects and apply the ones that goes with it. This effect changes the color theme to anime style, so let's use it for some part of the clip. Also, add this speed trail effect. Let's use it here. There are so many to choose from. Now visit the body effects category. These clone effects are great. Let's apply it. Try these stroke effects as well. The portraits are detected and strokes are added like that. There are neon lines effects available which look dope. Even laser eyes effects are there. Let's add this lightning effect to this clip. You may also give the hallucination effects a try. They are very interesting. Lastly, I have added some audio-driven effects to complete the anime music video. These effects sync with the beats of the music. You can adjust the effect's attributes as needed. Let's add this effect to the first half of the timeline. So, this is how you can utilize the anime resources available in the Filmora 14 to create awesome anime music videos. Try now. Download Filmora 14. The page link is available in the video notes. You are watching Gizmo Journal.